Hey everyone, Build It here. We're getting ready to do the ProFi box for the month of June. I'm way behind. We're in mid-July and I should be getting another ProFi box here in a day or two. But I'm behind. Just been busy. Things happen. So let's start opening the box. Let's get going here. I got that part. Open. I guess open the right way since there was nothing to tell me which way it goes. So inside we have two filaments. We have the Pro Select Traffic Red, the PLA Pro Select Energy Green, and then the accessory for the month is a heater element, or a heat block element. 24 volts, so that will work on like an Ender 3, which is 24 volt, won't work on a CR10, because the CR10 is 12 volt. So we have a 24 volt heater right here. We have a stroopwafel, and then we have our spool of filament, which they've changed the bags again. A little more resilient bag, I hope, than the aluminum ones they had previously, because I kept getting holes in the aluminum ones, which means that the bags are no good at that point. So I don't see any holes in this bag, so that's a good start with this type of bag. And it says premium on the package right here, and it's a filament, and this one says this is the energy green. So let's see what energy green looks like. Just can't get that to tear. See, it's got a tear point there, doesn't want to tear. Okay. We will just cut it with my utility knife here, and we'll get it open that way. There you go. I couldn't tell on this picture. You can't see the color because right over the top of it, it's got new. You can't really see what it looks like. You see what the energy green looks like. So there's what the energy green looks like. So that's the energy green. So far I really like printing with their filament. It seems to print really well. I printed quite a few things late before I started working on my printer. In fact, the parts on my printer that I use to mount the the copperhead hot end from Slice Engineering that I bought on a Kickstarter. I printed them out using the magenta, the Filament One Pro Select magenta is what I use to print it. In fact, don't know if you can see here. I'll bring the camera around here so you can see. Right there, you can see the parts on my printer. They are like a pinkish color. That's the magenta. So that's what I printed for mounting the hot end, the copperhead hot end. This is a multi thing that I'm doing. I'm doing multiple things at the same time, all at the same time. I put a, what do they call it? Not Easy Able, a BL Touch. So I have a BL Touch here on it. Oops, knock my camera over. So I got a BL Touch on here as well. So it's almost done. This is a direct drive mount. So I bought a motor right here, the smaller, thinner motor, what we call, some people refer to as the pancake motor. I ordered that from Alien 3D and got that and put it on. Replaced the wiring for all the stuff for the hot end and everything. So I was having some problems with it, and that's because it was actually a software problem and not the problem that I was thinking it was. So I had pulled the thermistor out, but I got to put it back in. But so I'm resolving that problem. Anyway, back to what we're doing here. We're doing the box right now. But I just wanted to show you that I do use their filaments to actually make things. And then we got the other filament here, which is their, I think it said traffic black filament. traffic flag, traffic red. So the traffic red, I'm going to lay that down a little better this time and cut a little better this time. And yeah, so this is the traffic red. And you can see that's a nice red. Even though it looks kind of orange in my video, that's the camera, not the spool. It is a red. But obviously it's a warm red. So, I mean, there's two different kinds of red. If you've done anything in the world of art, you know that there are two different kinds of red. So there's a warm red and there's a cool red. And how you mix your colors, especially when it comes to painting, is the colors you'll receive. So a warm red is good for making your oranges. But you need a cool red to do your purples. So red and blue make purple when they're mixed. But you need a cool red to make a purple. So anyway, that's not really what we're here about. So that covers everything we got. I hope you enjoyed the video. You know, if you get the ProFi box at a discount, 15% store wide at ProFi, at Filament One. Sorry, at Filament One. And that about covers it for this this video. We've got the 2 rolls of filament, the accessory, and a stroop waffle. And there should be a group project. Oh, let's go look at the group project since we're here, right? So let me close one window so you don't have to see my ugly mug. And we will go to here, and then we will go into Filament One. Filament One. And let's see, it's .com/pb dash. Oh, so this is my May box actually. So my other box that I got was a June box, but I already received it. That's funny. So I received the June box before I received the May box. PB dash May 20. Alright, so that shows you exactly what we just got. And let's see. Oh, so lithophanes are the project for this month, if I can get my mouse where I want it to go. 2 screens, sometimes hard to keep your mouse in control of where you want to be. So, yeah, so it's printing lithophanes. I've done these before. Obviously 3D Maker Noob has done them before, since he's got a video for it. I've actually printed a few of these, and people at work have asked me to print some for them, so I've printed a few of those already. So it's nothing new. Usually, I'm not sure how they're doing it. Right here, lithophanemaker.com. So what you do is just go to the Lithophane Maker and you tell it that you want to. So you can do a lamp and stuff like that. But somewhere, I forget where it's at, you download, you load a file into it. We want a flat lithophane right here, or night lights, you can do that. The lamp lithophane is a curved surface. You click on the thing and it tells you all about it. And then you choose your 4 files. And when you choose the files, that they get uploaded and then they get converted into the 3D model for that piece of it. So there'll be 4 pieces in this one. They'll have 4 different lithophanes you'd have to print. And then you assemble it and it makes a lamp. Now, what I wanted to do, but you can't really do it anymore, was I wanted to do a lamp that have like the vents at the top that will make the thing turn. But you can't really do that anymore because with LED lamps and that such, you don't get enough heat. and that requires heat. So you have vents. You have like a metal plate at the top that has vents in it that are angled, and so it makes the whole thing turn. I thought that would be cooler looking because you see the little thing turn and change pictures as you're watching it. But like I said, that works well with incandescent bulbs, but it doesn't work so well with LEDs because they don't have as much heat. I think the compact fluorescents might generate enough heat still. My camera's pointed down low instead of up high. So yeah, so the compact fluorescents might still work, but everybody's going to LEDs. In fact, yeah, all the lights in this room that I'm in right now are all LED lights. So I have LED spots in 1, 2, 3, 4 places on here, and then I have an LED. Oh, so I have one that's not an LED. It's a compact fluorescent. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that is an LED. And I can see the individual elements of the LED on that. And then, like the ones above I know are LEDs for sure. But anyway, so I got all LEDs. I'm trying to be as energy conservative as I can as far as that goes, because I do have enough energy drawn in my house with everything else I have. You know, with 3 refrigerators and a jacuzzi and all that stuff that uses all the electricity in the house. So, okay, and then all my 3D printers. You know, I'm at 9 printers right now. They're all in my garage on a shelf that I'm trying to get all set up for doing all my printing on. I lag. You know, when you only have a few hours every day after work to do stuff, you kind of don't really get a lot done most times. So the weekends are the only times, and I try and do some other fun things too. You know, like I golf every week, so stay pretty busy. Okay, I should be talking about that. This is about the ProFi box and not about my life. Anyway, onward. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next month's video, which should be the July ProFi box when it comes out, which should be very soon. So thank you for watching. Click like if you like the video. You know, click the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I thank you for watching. Build it out.